Hello, I'm Mihela. There are 4 types of egrets in Sri Lanka. Today I'll be talking about one of them. In Sri Lanka, egrets are known as koka. The Eastern Cattle Egret. The Eastern Cattle Egret is a species of heron found in the tropics, subtropics and warm temperature zones. The expansion of the Eastern Cattle Egret's range is due to its relationship with humans and their domesticated animals. It is native to southern and eastern Asia and Australasia. They often accompany cattle or other large mammals, catching insects and small vertebrate prey disturbed by these animals. The cattle egret removes ticks and flies from cattle and consumes them. This benefits both species, but it has been implicated in the spread of tick-borne animal diseases. Their calls are like locally named Gawa Koka. Talking about cattle, one of the most common things you see in rural Sri Lanka is herd of cattle escorted by a villager. Since ancient days, water buffaloes have helped Sri Lankans with their irrigation, paddy cultivation and agriculture. Their milk is used to make one of the most popular desserts in Sri Lanka called curd. It's just like yogurt. When you mix them up with honey, it's magical. Don't forget to try it out.